Hi, I'm Paul Basolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the first question from Digital SAT Test 3. This is number 1. And the question reads, bus is traveling at a constant speed along a straight portion of road. The equation d equals 30t gives the distance d in feet from the road marker that the bus will be t seconds after passing the marker. How many feet from the marker will the bus be 2 seconds after passing the marker? Notice what I underlined. And granted, you're not going to be able to underline, and apparently the highlight feature is not working on the Bluebook app, but it may be by the time you see this video. These are the things you want to pay attention to. The equation, what the variables stand for, what the question's asking, and like the information you give that's associated with numbers. Since it's 2 seconds and t represents seconds, all you got to do is d equals 30, and then in place of t, you put your 2. So the distance is 60, and that's what it's asking. How many feet? The distance. C is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with substituting answer choices in or realizing like what's important in a question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video. If you go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, find the playlist, go to Test 3. The shorter videos are just going to be underneath these longer videos. We've got Tests 1 and 2 up there now, and we'll have the rest of the tests up in the future. Have a great day.